Okay. Hello, guys. And today is May 12th, and it's my birthday. Woo! Okay, so I'm making a vlog, going on the trampoline, and just doing stuff. And just, yeah. And just do it. Oh, and the rule number 1, I might. And over there, then go. Then jump, feet. Can you see everywhere? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay, guys. So, today, we are doing something. It's just going to be like 5 minutes. And, oh, okay, there's my neighbor. So, just wait. Hey guys. Wait. Hey guys. The time is going. Hello. Okay, I have to get the camera. Okay. So this is the world of mine. My school is way back there. Okay, so yeah. That's where it is. Okay, that ended. So, yeah, on to the next thing. I'm not gonna spoil it. Okay, guys, we're going to nothing. Okay, sorry for all that laughter, but I'm turning 7. And I'm having a cake right now. And I like you all. We only have like a couple subscribers, so put a thumbs up. Hopefully we can get 1 million subscribers. Smash that like button. Subscribe down below. And now we're gonna do something. Ooh. Okay, I am not famous. That's one thing, but don't care about that. Here's my garage. Get my bike. No, my scooter. I'm definitely not telling you my name because it's privacy. I'm riding my scooter, okay? Riding my scooter. Okay, I just did that on purpose. Oh, I tripped. Okay, guys. Let's crouch. Oh, guys, it's not working out that I wanted it to. So hopefully, maybe we can get 2 million or 10,000 million. Please smash that like button. Oh, car. Oh. No one on this vlog do not break into our house because we're poor and we have nothing. Oh my gosh. Okay? Just wait. Okay. Guys, and that might wrap it up for today. Give a thumbs up. And see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.